Hello, it's just Crafty Chantel and welcome back to my channel. I have the Spellbinders card kit of the month. Sincerely yours, April 2021. Now my kit is a little worse for wear because I was on a camping trip a couple of weeks ago and went through and made some samples already. But if you want to see the entire kit, of course you can go to spellbinders.com or check out some other YouTube videos that will have some additional details. So let's just start going through it. You get a few different pieces of cardstock: hot pink, purple, green, see, a couple shades of green and yellow, and maybe some other colors that I have used already, not so sure. But as always, you get the cardstock, and then you get where's my little note card? They are calling these these are some stickers, and I've used a couple, you'll see soon. You get the stamps, you get the dies, and so the dies are designed to make this envelope design that they have here on the sample card. And then you get this nice pad of paper, and again there's 2 sheets of each. So the theme here is Sincerely Yours, so it's kind of about correspondence. There's some flowers in here for spring. We'll just flip through that real quickly. And then you have all of your die cuts. Spellbinders is always great with giving you a lot of die cuts. So let's just look through a couple of them. Let's see. Note card paper, happy to be there. Letters. Gather these moments in your heart. So all springy, all heartfelt sentiments. You're the best. Just designed to send your love. The die cuts you see here, or you can take them and layer them to make like some 3D layer flowers. So I'll show you briefly what I did, and then we'll wrap this up. This will be a quick video. So really quickly, what I did was made a couple of card toppers. So here I used the navy blue paper, gold cardstock. Then I used this gold frame, a couple of flower dies, and then the Thinking of You die cut. Next, I used light pink paper and then pink patterned paper from the pad. And then just I wanted to have like a bunch of different words on here for the die cuts. Just all kinds of, you know, kind and thoughtful sentiments there. So we have Celebrate, Laughter, XOXO. And this was also in there, these puffy stickers. And these are cute. You can probably like stamp these and have like some ink coloring on them. Then I used the Gather These Moments and kind of made a friendship card there. Next, I used one of the sticker frames, Forever My Friend, and then just made like a small bouquet of flowers and matted and layered with some of the paper from the pad. And finally, Have a Lovely Day. So this piece of cardstock has like a, has the gold dots in it. And then I used the gold frame and the Have a Lovely Day gold die cut. So just a couple of ideas of what you can do with the April 2021 Spellbinders Sincerely Yours card making kit of the month. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe and join us again and be notified when we make additional videos on the Just Crafty Chantel channel. Thank you so much and have a great day.